This is the last day of 2019 in Bali. The sun is already set, as you can see. And I want to tell you Happy New Year, just in case I pass out before midnight, although I'm going to try not to. Not a whole lot going on yet. Kind of just relaxing. Alright, 2 hours before New Year's. And we got the beer in the top part, so it gets really cold and ice cold, and I'm about to grab one out right now and see if I can do it without knocking everything over. Actually, I can't. Alright, it's about 10 minutes to 12 o'clock, and shit's starting to heat up out here. And I'm good and drunk, and we got some fireworks going on. Happy New Year 2020 from Bali. Happy New Year 2020. Well, it's a new day, and I cheated a little bit because we already left. We left for a ride, and pretty soon you'll see what city we ended up in. We've been riding for about an hour, that should tell you. And we parked in this big old row here next to the supermarket, which I hope is the no-tow zone, but we are going to the supermarket, so it should be cool. Now we're gonna go take a walk and have some fun. Come along. So I rode the PCX all the way here, and after my longest ride on it personally, I can tell you that it is extremely comfortable on long journeys. Now, this is the competition that we didn't get, and I've been having serious questions on whether that was the right choice or wrong choice, but this is the NMAX. And that's our bad machine right there. So, but there'll be a video coming in the future about the comparisons and the review of the PCX. Alright, so see if you can tell where we are. There's a few ATMs, Bebek Benggil, and Coco Supermarket. Let's go inside where it's cool. Roast them chickens. And buy a roasted chicken. That's probably really good.
Chicken breast boneless.
Oh, chicken breast boneless. Ooh, I bet you that's really good. Well, it probably should be in a refrigerator, but this one here is ikan, so that's fish. Bet you haven't seen rambutan in a while, huh? These suckers look fresh. And look, right behind it, big old durian fruit. Look, you can even get that Baby Bell snack cheese here. Here are some nice fruit bars you don't see every day, made in Indonesia. Watermelon, lime, strawberry, mango, kiwi, coconut, chocolate, berries, banana, all kinds. This is the best idea I've ever seen. If you buy a whole box of bintang, you get a free 4 kilos of ice. And ice here is catered no matter where you are or what you do by law. So that's a good deal. Hey buddies. Whoa, I sounded like Pauly Shore, didn't I? So we're sitting out in front of the supermarket now, and I braved the chicken breast. It looked too good to pass up, especially for just 10,000 rupiah for a snack. But we're gonna eat our snacks before we walk that way, and you'll understand why. Standing at this corner, I can show you one of my favorite left turns. So you come in to Ubud from that way, and then you swing a really, really hard left at this intersection all the way around, and then you're on Forrest Road right here. just hanging with my buddy.
He's like a little.
Check out this restaurant. Walk down the dark hallway and then be greeted with awesome eating. Here's another nice place to stay if you come to Ubud. Cocktail? How about the Big Monkey? So usually we ride down this road, and this is actually called JL Monkey Forest Road. But today we were smart. We parked about a half kilometer back and we walked instead. Avoided this mess. And right here to the left, behind all those trees, that's the actual sacred monkey forest in there. Hi, buddy. Hello. Hello, buddy. Check this dude out. He got a hold of somebody's can. What is that? Huh? What is that? Trying to get it open? There's got to be some food in there, buddy. He's frustrated. These signs are so true. Well, this is fun traffic here because this is actually a one-way street, but you wouldn't know it by just looking at it. So we're scoping out this possible place to stay, not tonight, but one of these days. And this place is looking pretty promising. It's very close to the monkey forest, and it looks really nice. So this is looking right out of the back of Wanata, that hotel that we just checked out. They wanted $380 for one night. That's 2 rooms. So the girls would have their own room. So we might come back here some night. And he said the monkeys actually do come through here all the time. There's some more places there. This is a nice little parking area. And it's off the main road, as you can see right there. So right along the side of Wanata, as you can see, there's all this traffic, because there are plenty more places to stay back here. Plenty of good bike parking right here along the creek. If you're somebody that has money to burn and just enjoy shopping, I mean, there is some really fun stuff here, you gotta admit. There's a whole music store right there. Interesting stuff. All kinds of neat art and stuff. I don't know what you do with any of the stuff after you bought it, but wouldn't it just be fun to buy if you had money to burn? In case anybody's wondering, if you actually want to go into the monkey forest, it's $80,000 per adult and $60,000 per child as of today, the filming of this video. That's about $4 and $6. So it's really not bad. Even though you can see free monkeys outside, there's hundreds more in there. And compared to the Western world prices to get in anywhere, that's really not bad at all. What's wrong, buddy? You okay, puppy? Huh? You okay? That there is the exit to the parking of the sacred monkey forest. And that there is the entrance for parking in the sacred monkey forest. And as you can see now, we're walking back to the Coco Mart where we parked. But this must be that time of day where all the taxis and shuttles and bus party we saw out there are all headed from the airport to get people to their hotel for the night, because that is one crazy line of traffic. Which is also why I suggest, if you're going to be in Bali, rent yourself a scooter, because you can go around all of this mess. Alright, the current transfer rates for those who are curious. If you didn't see your country, I'm sorry. And after our long walk, there is the Coco supermarket. Now we just have to walk across this crazy intersection. Look at this guy trying to get into that traffic mess. almost exactly 1 minute since I turned the camera on. And he's almost in. Go, buddy. He made it. Yeah. prayer trees. Seeing if we can't find a way to pass on the right side. All clear from the back, but not from the front. That's how she's done. Woohoo! Actually, I could probably went all the way to the light, but oh well. We'll behave ourselves. Look at that big old tree. It's a big Bali tree. Hi, Bali tree. Downhill with speed bumps. This is where you gotta balance both brakes. It's really fun. Yeah. Ooh, and a bridge too. That means we get to toot the horn. Yeah. Check out these kittens. They're trying to catch and eat these bugs.
Hi, kitty. Hi.
Alright, so it was a really smooth ride back from Ubud. And we dropped the girls off at home. Now Mom and I are picking up dinner for the night. Then that's it. Then it's time for pajamas and relax. That was a long ride. So this is actually a different JFC than the one by our house. We decided why not, it's a nice night to ride. And we only came here for this delicious orange drink that they have in one of those cups with the plastic on top. Now we're going home to eat.